Dear friend, if you're over 60 and experiencing tingling hands, weak knees, or legs that just don't cooperate like they used to, this information could change your life. Today, we're exploring 8 remarkable fruits that can naturally boost your body's collagen production and help restore the strength and mobility you thought was lost forever. Here's what makes this so important. A peer-reviewed study published in one of Europe's leading clinical nutrition journals found that seniors who regularly consume the top fruit on our list experienced a 24% increase in collagen density and a 42% reduction in knee discomfort after just a few weeks. This isn't speculation or wishful thinking. This is real science, backed by research conducted on people just like you. Before we begin, I'd love to know where you're joining us from today. Please share your age and let us know if there's a fruit you simply cannot tolerate. We read every comment because we're building a community of people who want to age gracefully and naturally. Why collagen matters more than you think. Around age 60, your body essentially stops producing collagen at the rate it once did. This isn't just about skin appearance. Collagen is the fundamental protein that keeps your tendons strong, your joints healthy, and your nervous system functioning properly. Each year, as collagen production declines, you might notice your hands tingling more often. Your joints become drier and less flexible. Your legs feel weaker, especially when climbing stairs or rising from a chair. This silent collagen loss is behind millions of seniors experiencing walking difficulties, unexpected falls, and painful nighttime leg cramps. But here's the good news. By consuming the right fruits regularly, you can naturally restart your body's collagen production. This means rebuilding muscle strength, eliminating cramping, reducing inflammation, and restoring mobility. Every recommendation we're sharing is supported by scientific research. Fruit number 8. Amla, the gentle starter. Let's begin with Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. While not the most powerful fruit on our list, it serves as the crucial catalyst that initiates your healing process. Think of it as a gentle wake-up call for your collagen production system. A single serving of amla contains up to 478 milligrams of vitamin C. That's more than 10 times what you'll find in an orange. But vitamin C isn't just an antioxidant. Your body uses it to create pro-collagen, the raw material that forms collagen in your muscles, joints, and tendons. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology showed that amla extract dramatically increases the activity of 2 critical enzymes, prolyl hydroxylase and lysyl hydroxylase. These enzymes stabilize collagen structure throughout your body. When they're active, your limbs feel less stiff, your joints move more freely, and your connective tissue becomes stronger. Amla also contains gallic and ellagic acids, powerful antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. For anyone over 60, when your body's natural defenses have weakened, this protection becomes invaluable. What's wonderful about amla is its gentleness. Unlike acidic fruits that might upset your stomach, amla is gentle on your digestive system, perfect for morning consumption. Enjoy it as fresh juice, brew it as tea, or add the dried powder to your food. Fruit number 7. Black raspberries. Your protective shield. If amla awakens your collagen system, black raspberries act as protective armor. These deep purple berries are packed with anthocyanins, plant chemicals proven to protect collagen from long-term inflammation. A study in the Nutrition and Cancer Journal revealed that anthocyanins in black raspberries inhibit matrix metalloproteinases, enzymes responsible for breaking down connective tissue, particularly type 2 collagen found in your knees and spinal discs. When these enzymes are controlled, your cartilage and ligaments can recover, leading to less discomfort and increased flexibility. Research published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed that black raspberry extract significantly reduced chronic knee inflammation. Early human trials revealed improvements in joint mobility and decreased morning stiffness, one of the most common complaints among older adults. Black raspberries are neither overly sweet nor excessively acidic. Whether fresh, Blended into smoothies or mixed with yogurt, they're excellent for daily consumption, especially if you're managing diabetes or have sensitive digestion. Many seniors complain about nighttime leg cramps or poor circulation to their calves. Black raspberries address these issues perfectly. Their flavonoids promote microcirculation, keeping small blood vessels flexible and helping restore normal leg circulation. Fruit number 6. Blueberries, your nutrient highway. Have you ever wondered why some people eat healthy foods but still experience joint pain and leg weakness? The answer often lies in nutrient absorption and delivery. This is where blueberries excel. While blueberries don't have the highest vitamin C concentration, they help your body absorb and utilize vitamin C more efficiently for collagen production. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that blueberry anthocyanins positively influence collagenase enzyme activity, helping your body replace damaged collagen with stronger fibers. More importantly, blueberries increase nitric oxide production, which opens blood vessels and improves circulation to your knees, calves, and feet. This is why older adults who eat blueberries daily often report less tingling, reduced leg coldness, and better walking endurance. A University of Florida clinical trial found that postmenopausal women who consumed blueberry smoothies daily for 8 weeks experienced a 21% improvement in peripheral blood flow. Blood markers also indicated decreased cartilage breakdown. Think of blueberries as the road crew, paving the way for nutrients to reach areas that frequently experience poor circulation as we age. They're particularly helpful for those recovering from leg injuries, experiencing muscle loss, or noticing decreased walking speed. Fruit number 5. Strawberries, your rebuilding specialist. After blueberries open your circulation, your body enters the rebuilding phase. Strawberries are perfect for initiating this process. Their vitamin profile seems designed for collagen regeneration. 100 grams of strawberries provides about 59 milligrams of vitamin C, approximately 70% of your daily requirement. More significantly, strawberries contain manganese, essential for forming new collagen fibers, particularly type 1 collagen found in skin, muscles, and tendons. Research in the Archives of Dermatological Research found that the vitamin C and manganese combination in strawberries can increase new collagen formation by 30% while blocking enzymes that break down old collagen. Strawberries are rich in flavonoids like quercetin and camphorol, which reduce chronic inflammation in cartilage tissues. This inflammation causes knee discomfort, limb weakness, and muscle spasms in older individuals. A University of Oklahoma study found that people over 60 who ate strawberries daily for 6 weeks reported less knee pain when walking and improved their standing balance time from 10 to 17 minutes. The soluble fiber in strawberries helps reduce constipation and balance blood sugar, crucial for seniors managing diabetes. They're easy on the stomach and simple to incorporate into daily routines. Fruit number 4. Papaya, your deep tissue regenerator. Papaya penetrates deeper into your connective tissue to dissolve hardened deposits in joints and initiate genuine healing. It contains papain, a powerful enzyme that breaks down damaged tissue and excess proteins, allowing your body to generate new collagen. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that papain dramatically improves absorption of proline and glycine, amino acids forming the backbone of collagen fibers. When these increase in your bloodstream, your body activates collagen synthetase and rebuilding begins. Papaya provides vitamins A, C, and E, plus folate, all necessary for mending cartilage, strengthening ligaments, and re-establishing healthy capillaries. Clinical nutritionists incorporate papaya into bone-healing regimens and chronic joint pain management strategies. A Malaysian clinical study found that older adults consuming papaya daily for 30 days showed significant decreases in C-reactive protein, an inflammation indicator. Simultaneously, muscle and tendon repair improved, particularly in knees and calves. Papaya also aids digestion, addressing a main problem preventing seniors from properly absorbing nutrients. Many elderly people become collagen deficient despite healthy diets, largely due to weakened digestive systems. Fruit number 3. Pineapple, nature's anti-inflammatory. Pineapple functions as a natural, full-spectrum anti-inflammatory. No prescription necessary, no adverse effects, with long-lasting benefits. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme extensively studied in medicine. According to Alternative Medicine Review, bromelain promotes healing of damaged connective tissue, suppresses pain-causing prostaglandins, and lowers systemic inflammation. In a German clinical study, arthritis patients receiving 500 milligrams of bromelain daily for 6 weeks experienced a 41% decrease in discomfort and swelling, with improvements in weight-bearing joints like knees and hips. Bromelain breaks down excess fibrin in blood, improving circulation and reducing lower limb stagnation, common causes of numbness, cold feet, and nighttime leg cramps. Pineapple also provides manganese, vitamin C, thiamine, and vitamin B6, promoting regeneration of muscles and ligaments that deteriorate with age. What sets pineapple apart is its ability to clear inflammatory tissue. Bromelain dissolves damaged cells gently, reduces joint swelling, and facilitates nutrient delivery to injured areas. Eat fresh pineapple morning, or enjoy cold-pressed juice with ginger for enhanced anti-inflammatory effects. Avoid canned varieties, or those in syrup, which reduce bromelain's effectiveness. Fruit number 2. Guava, your collagen density champion. Guava might not be flashy, but research shows it's among the best fruits for boosting collagen density and slowing joint aging. Guavas provide 200 to 300 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, far exceeding oranges or strawberries. This vitamin C synthesizes both type 1 and type 2 collagen, building blocks of muscles, ligaments, and cartilage. A Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found participants consuming guava daily for 6 weeks experienced 24% increased collagen density, decreased knee inflammation, and morning stiffness, plus enhanced walking ability. Guava contains quercetin, suppressing inflammatory enzymes like COX-2, which cause joint creaking and muscle cramping. High potassium and soluble fiber support blood sugar regulation and enhance lower limb circulation. In South Korea and Japan, guava is considered essential in therapeutic diets for muscle and joint rehabilitation in people over 60. Many seniors report that after 3 to 4 weeks of regular guava consumption, they experience fewer nighttime leg cramps and find it easier to rise from seated positions. You can eat guava fresh, enjoy it as sugar-free juice, or blend it with papaya or pineapple for a full-spectrum collagen healing combination. Fruit number 1. Kiwi, the master key to absorption. While guava creates collagen, kiwi unlocks its full potential. It helps your body not only create collagen, but also absorb and distribute it precisely where needed. Kiwis contain actinidin, a unique enzyme that breaks down complex proteins into short peptides, the exact form your body can most effectively absorb and transform into collagen. Kiwis actively assist your small intestine in absorbing collagen from food and supplements, improving every step from digestion to joint regeneration. A study in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that when older people included kiwis in their diets, collagen peptide absorption rose by 27%. Within 2 weeks, they reported improvements in knee fatigue and leg numbness, plus better single-leg balance, a critical fall risk predictor. Kiwis provide potassium, lutein, vitamin E, and soluble fiber, helping control blood pressure, enhance leg circulation, and reduce nighttime cramping. University of Tokyo research suggests eating kiwi morning or evening when actinidin is most active. This timing supports digestion and maximizes collagen absorption from meals. Even one daily kiwi can lead to enhanced mobility, reduced joint inflammation, better nutrient absorption, greater collagen density, and decreased fall risk. A real success story. Let me share Richard's story. At 67, this retired Ohio construction engineer had been strong and active for 40 years. But within a few years of retirement, everything changed. My calves stopped cooperating on stairs, he explained. Every step felt like being pulled down. Getting off the couch required grabbing both armrests and pushing like I'd completed a marathon. His diagnosis: muscle collagen loss, early knee deterioration, circulation issues, and age-related muscle atrophy. Not severe enough for surgery, but enough to defeat a man who'd never known fatigue. Instead of relying on supplements, Richard sought natural solutions. Following his nutritionist daughter's advice, he replaced his white bread breakfast with a kiwi, guava, and pineapple smoothie. He added black raspberries at lunch, papaya in the afternoon, and amla tea in the evening. No overnight miracle occurred, but results came steadily. After 3 weeks, he could stand without hand support. After 5 weeks, he climbed 2 flights of stairs without stopping. 3 months later, he walked over a mile each morning with no discomfort or nighttime leg cramps. "I call it giving back to my body what time has taken away," Richard said. Richard's success proves you can succeed too. If you've read this far, you're determined to regain your freedom and restore strength to your legs. These 8 fruits aren't medications with side effects or empty promises. They're nature's solution, activating collagen from inside out, restoring cartilage, renewing muscles, and boosting blood flow. You have a choice. Continue eating the same way, accepting rigid joints, twitching legs, and fear of falls. Or take action today, one step at a time. Start with morning kiwi. Enjoy guava pineapple smoothie at lunch. Add blueberries after breakfast. Include strawberries as snacks. Have papaya with dinner. End with amla tea. Don't let another day pass while your collagen disappears. Too many seniors have lost confidence, independence, and balance. Don't let that be your story. Share this information with someone who needs it. A parent, friend, or anyone complaining about weak legs or creaking knees. Small actions change lives. Remember, collagen isn't just about beauty. It stabilizes your legs, straightens your back, quiets your knees, and maintains independence. Being elderly doesn't make you weak. Missing essential nutrients does, and the solution is likely in your refrigerator. It's not enough to live long. You deserve to live robustly, with strength, mobility, and dignity at every age. Take that first step today. Your body has amazing capacity to heal when given proper nutrients. These 8 fruits provide exactly what you need to restart collagen production, reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and restore leg strength. You're never too old to improve your health or too late to start. With these natural, scientifically proven fruits as allies, you can look forward to stronger legs, less pain, and greater independence. This is your time to control your aging process. Not with expensive supplements or risky medications, but with simple, natural fruit power that's helped people heal for thousands of years. Your journey to stronger legs and pain-free joints starts with your very next meal.